Ndị be anyị ekeneni m unu n'ụbọchị nke taa. Anyị sị na ya dịrị ndị Igbo na mma. Dịka o si dị, ihe a bụ Igbo Media ka anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ nnukwu ozi dị oke mkpa gbasịta maka ana Igbo and Igbo community and ihe debe na Nigeria. Ya bụ ife ka anyị na-ewetara unu na Igbo Media. Dịka isi wee na-esole anyị, ọ bụ na nke a bụ ụbọchị izizi gị ị na-abịa n'ilu akwụkwọ na Igbo Media, kabaru ka subscribe and turn on your notification ka ị lapụ miss any of our update dịka anyị na-etikwu ya n'ilu akwụkwọ kwa mgbe. Dịka o si dị, o nwere ya wetara n'ụbọchị nke taa gbasịta maka ka ya bụ ife si ada and gbasịta maka ka ya bụ ife si akpọtụ n'ala Igbo. Biko mma achọ ka ige ya bụ ife. Ihe a bụ ihe BIAFRA Chief of Staff bụ Ngozi Orabueze kwuru n'ilu akwụkwọ gbasịta maka ka o si ada na Finland and gbasịta maka Biafran Prime Minister Maazị Simon Ekpa. So igecha ya bụ ife idropụra ife iche n'ilu akwụkwọ gbasịta maka ihe bụ ife ndị a niile okwu. All right, over to you.
The defense chief refused. President Tinubu had refused to release nnamdi Kanu. They're still holding him today. Because they think that when they hold our leader nnamdi Kanu, Biafra will not come. Facilitating the contract they have with some European countries to continue to milk the oil reserves in the Biafra territory, using it to develop their own countries, while our people die in squalor, while our lands are being polluted, while nobody cares. Schools are closed on end because of pollution, because of the devastation the exploration of the oil has done in our land. And we said we cannot continue to live like that anymore. If you are a foreign nation and you want to explore, you want to exploit the resources in Biafra land, you need to pay the right money. You need to pay the right amount. You don't milk our resources by pennies and cents, which you used to build your country, while our people die in abject poverty. No standard hospital, no medical equipment, no railway, no international airport, no seaport, nothing. But you milk the oil in Biafra land to develop your own country. Is that fair? You want to be a part of that kind of system? We are the Nigerian state. All they care is the money you pay them up front to sell the oil in our Biafra territory for even where our generations unborn are going to be owing to your country, are be owing to the oils that you milk from our land. And you think that is fair? And you think you will stop what we are doing? Finland invited our Prime Minister Simon Ekpa just a week before our declaration. They are questioning him till date, almost 4 months. Finland, you know the story. You got your own independence, right? And you know the reason why you fought for your independence, just like America fought for their independence. There is a reason for that. There is a time for that. Now is the time for the full protection of the United States of Biafra. No individual can stop that. It is not about me. It's not about Prime Minister Simon Ekpa. Neither is it about our leader Nnamdi Kanu. It is about our people that said, no, this is the time to stop all the manipulations, all the destruction, all the exploitation of the Biafra people and the Biafra territory. I use this opportunity to recognize the Biafra Defense Forces. As a country, we have the right to develop our own Biafra military. We are a country. We have to develop our military to confront the terrorist state of Nigeria that come to our land and kill us, maim our people, destroy our businesses, burn our homes and burn our businesses. We must raise our own defense to ensure that we defend our people. We have the right to do that. That is exactly what the United States of Biafra will be doing. On that note, I thank the Biafra Defense Forces, the commanders, both at home and abroad, the 40 state governors of the United States of Biafra and their executives and their people, putting all the structures in place to defend their states and ensure that those terrorists, the Nigerian state terrorists that come to kill us, they leave our land. We have given them a 60-day ultimatum to leave our land, which expires, I believe, this week. This is a peaceful way that we've presented to the world that we, the United States of Biafra, have told our sister neighboring nation, Nigeria, to leave our land. This notice is also an official notice for them that the 60 days we gave them peacefully to leave our nation expired this week or in the next few days. And we are calling them, demanding that Nigerian state leave all the 40 states of the United States of Biafra. We have our map, which we have sent to the Nigerian government. We are telling them that the 60 days we gave them has expired this week. Biafrans will use everything possible within our means to remove invading terrorists, invading Nigerian army, invading Nigerian police. We will use all available structures within our power to remove them from our land in Biafra. We have the right to do that. We thank our Biafra Defense Forces, Biafra Liberation Army, the Air Force and the Navy for what they do every day to protect our land. On that note, Honorable Ugo, if you're ready, I also thank all the Biafran secretaries and the cabinets and all they do, all the liaison heads in different countries. Honorable Ugo, if you're ready, please let us have the declaration of the United States of Biafra. There is only one nation under our leader, Nnamdi Kanu, our Prime Minister, Simon Ekpa, represented by my humble self, Dr. Proclamation. Only one.
Sorry for being late.
Only one state in the United States of Biafra. None other. All the oil companies operating within the 40 states of Biafra, that the United States of Biafra is not a free nation. The oil companies need to start paying the tax liberation fee. They got the letters. They got our bank information. They need to start paying that so that we can start rebuilding our nation that have been devastated by exploitation of the raw materials and oil in our land. We have on several occasions also reached out to our sister neighbors, Nigeria. I am open for negotiations. The United States of Biafra government and the cabinets, the secretaries, they are open for negotiation. This is also a notice to them. We are open for negotiation for them to leave our nation.
Shut the fuck up.
This is a moment we are using to remind them that we've reached out to them They need to leave our nation. So if they say they have not received the letters, which I believe most of them have, please serves as an official notice to our neighbor, Nigerian state, to reach out to me for peaceful resolution, peaceful ways for them to resolve any issue they have with the Biafra nation and leave our nation. My number is 770-329-7339. Again, that number is 770-329-7339. Our neighbors, the Nigerian state, you can reach out to me on that number. All these are the peaceful ways we are letting the world know we want peace in our land. We want peaceful negotiation with our sister, our neighboring nation, Nigeria. We've written them to leave our land. We confirmed through the DHL that they received those letters. Continuous occupation of a foreign land is a crime by the Nigerian state. Honorable, let me know when you're...
Hello, the United States of Biafra! Thank you. All right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so very much. All right, we continue to conclude. Our independence is here today. On behalf of the Prime Minister, His Excellency, Ekpa Simon Njoko Obi, the Prime Minister of the United States of Biafra, Now, therefore, the Prime Minister of Biafra Republic Government in exile, His Excellency Ekpa Simon Njoko, by virtue of the authority and pursuant of the issues and principles recited above, do hereby solemnly proclaim that the territory and region under the 40 confederating states of Biafra, together with her continental shelf and territorial waters, shall henceforth regain her independence and act as an independent sovereign state with the name and title of the United States of Biafra. So shall it be. The people of the United States of Biafra want to be free in a country where the police and the military are sworn to the Constitution and not to the president, head of state, politicians, or anyone else, where no man is above the law, where the police and military are empowered to question inhumane orders from unscrupulous politicians. And if such order is to invade a community and kill everyone there, they will say, hell no, what are you talking about? What the hell are you talking about? The United States of Biafra, as an independent country, joins the United States of America in proclaiming that all men are created equal. With certain inalienable rights, including the right to life, liberty, and pursuit of happiness. Can you scream? The United States of Biafra envisions a country where peace, unity, equity, and progress shall prevail. My fellow Biafrans, let's join hands and make it a reality. God bless you, and God bless the United States of Biafra. Ekpa Simon Ojako.
Struggle for the pilot.
At this time,
Someone like the pilot. Go to hell, scaling
at this time, we are going to call on the Chief Justice of the United States of Biafra, Attorney Jen Iwuze, to confirm this declaration.
Okay, let's read it. Yeah.
Fellow Biafrans, I hereby mention the 40 states of the United States of Biafra: Aba State, Adoka State, Afema Igoromigodo, Ahoda, Abaki Poro, Alanso, Aludo, Anioma, Branem, Calabar, Ebonyi, Ebube, Eda, Enugu, Epie, Esan Igoromigodo, Esani, Iden Igodomigodo, Idun Ibon, Igala State, Ibani State, Ika State, Ikemba State, Ikom State, Ikumisia State, Idayanan, Iwere State, Iwuroha State, Odumegu State, Ogbea State, Ogoja State, Ohabuenyi State, Ohuku State, Okigwe State, Omambala State, Olu State, Owerri State, Kwa State, South Atlantic State, Uroba Isoka State. Welcome to the 40 states of the United States of Biafra.
Induction of the
Thank you.
From D.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. That's awesome. That's awesome. As you can see from the re-declaration of the United States of Biafra that we just watched again, you can see that the only government that we have is the United States of Biafra, no other. It is the government of the people, by the people, and for the people. He that have ears can hear it, and he that have eyes can see it. If you or anyone still claims to be confused and to be used as a willing tool to destabilize by the elements of saboteurs and those that do not want our freedom. If you are a willing tool to be used by them to destabilize our sovereign nation, the United States of Biafra, you have yourself blamed to eternity. Our story is our religion, and our freedom is in our hands. And we must defend it with our breath and blood. That is why we are here to do today and always what we do every week. And all we need by our presence today, by our decree today, is to support our existence by donate, and donate.
Wadaloli neno from Igbo media, boy by Siwene Utenu Nyabozi, Dio Kempa, Bastabak Yemina Nigeria, and the enemy di chiche na Eastern region, and Uno Kosia Dana Finland, and the Biafran Prime Minister, KCGD, the update and the Yabo Biafran declaration came in Finland, so Yelina Kaya, I know Utelu Niba Huko. Kifi wali kubwa maka yabo iye chief of staff kugasi nirwa huko yaneboro tagasiaka and the new development on Biafra of United States of Biafra. So yabi ife ka isi ka tiedo no kono kwa ifunche no den kono maka yabi ife ngwa dado dine nke mesia no munem.